guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted contact on your Android device. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. I'm going to show you different methods to restore your deleted contact. So first you need to open the contact app on your device, and here guys, in the bottom right side of your screen you can get the option fix and manage. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option trash. Just tap on it. In this trash section guys, you can get the all contact which you have deleted. So in my device I have not deleted any contact, so there is no contact showing here. So from here you can easily restore your deleted contact. So this is the first method. Second method is this guys. Here you can get the option restore contact. Just tap on it and select your Google account. From here you can easily also able to restore your deleted contact. So this is the second method. One more method you can get. Just go to your contact application once again, and here in the top left side corner you can get three lines. Just tap on it, and here you can get the your contact save account. So here you can get the option restore from your device. So just tap on it. If you want to restore, you can easily also able to restore from here. So this is the third method. So one more method is there guys. So this is the final method. Go to your phone settings like this, and in the phone settings tap on accounts and select your Google account like this. Here you can get one option account sync. Just tap on it. From here you need to disable the contact sync option one time and re-enable it like this. So it will also restore and resync your contact on your phone. So this is the final method. So these are the simple methods to restore your deleted contacts on your phone. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.